so it's Wednesday morning, and y'all know old Bo was a no call, no show yesterday. So this morning he blowing my phone up. I'm a no call, no show for Bo this morning. So I ain't answer the phone, nothing. You can't do me like that and me not get some get back. And he knows it too, you know. So, yeah, you want, you know, these guys want to play junkie games with Ray. Ray'll play junkie games back, you know. Yesterday yesterday was a no call, no show. He really screwed me up yesterday. So, yeah. I ain't studying his ass, man. Sorry for his luck. He left the voicemail talking about he's at the post office. And I ain't respond. I ain't say nothing. So he can be sitting at that post office all freaking day for all I care. You know, it's just wrong, man, to do somebody like that, man. And I know I cry about it all the time, and that's what I do on YouTube. But hey, you know, 2 weeks ago I went out and did the 16-acre site in Hogansville by myself, and I sprayed and everything. I'm gonna do it again, you know, this time. And tomorrow, if Drew and Bo are available, then they'll both be working tomorrow if they're available. But if not, I'm continuing on, man. You know, Bo seems to have you know, always got something, you know, well, the phone thing, he's gonna pay. So this will be the second day that he has not worked, and all because he don't have a phone. Because yesterday, if he'd have had a phone, then he probably would have worked, because I would have been able to get in touch with him, you know. And then today, well, he stood me up yesterday, so I'm gonna stand him up today. That's just, I don't know. I mean, that's sounds like a damn fair to me, you know. And y'all gonna see how rigid I can really be when the work starts slowing down, and I don't have to have these guys out here every day. It's all about, you know, the business earning is why I keep guys on and stuff, you know. It ain't about nothing else. But if I see a way that I can not have guys out here on a day, well, I'm gonna go out here and cut this big cut, this $600 cut, and it'll probably take me about 3.5 to 4 hours. You know, I should be home for Sammy time at about 2:30. Right? Anyway, I enjoyed being on the live feed the other night. That was pretty cool. That was very informative, and yeah, I still learn things after, you know, 13 seasons in. So yeah, y'all. Anyway, this is Ray, and I'll try to get some footage out here today. I ain't sure, man. Peace out. Okay, y'all. So I just got done with the big acre cut. I did a lot of spraying out there. It's 2:30. I got out there around 9. So, you know, Bo, like I told y'all this morning, you know, Bo, I wasn't gonna let him work today. So he laid out on me, and I lay out on him. So maybe he'll work tomorrow. Not sure. Anyway, I'm pretty tired, man. The mowers beat me up, man. You know. But yeah, overall, man, it's a good, profitable day, you know, consider my expenses, you know, so it's pretty good, if you ask me. Oh, y'all, I'm finna pull up to the house, and it's Sammy time!
All right, y'all. So, just got home. I got a bent pulley. I think I showed it to you guys a couple weeks ago. It's on this mower right here, and we're gonna get this mower off. We're gonna drive it up on the forks there. We're gonna pick it up in the air so I can get to the bottom side of the deck. May have to do a little bit of fabricating, a little bit of welding or something there. The pulley has done rubbed a hole in the deck. And I'll get pictures as I go. Peace out. Y'all see that? Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see, but y'all can see how it's cutting into the deck, man. It's leaning so hard. I believe it's done cut a hole in the deck, man. I believe it has. See, look at that, man. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look, it's done cut into the deck. That's what happens when you got other guys and you got guys running your equipment. It's the kind of thing that happens. I believe it's done put a hole in the deck right there. Sure do. Man. Good thing is, though, the good thing is, y'all, I got the Lincoln. Yeah, y'all see it. So, we're gonna see if there's a hole in it. I don't know for sure, but it looks like it. See, whenever you can do this, you got an advantage. So that's the bolt that's busted right there. You can't pick it up. You got to work a whole lot harder. I wanted to make sure I didn't grab it and was bending anything. Looking good, man. So, see, I need baffles. Look, yeah, baffles bent. This mower's old though. I mean, this mower right here's got 2,800 hours on it. So yeah. And look, y'all. Look what a pulley done went into the deck right there. Can y'all see that? Look at that. That's crazy, man. Yeah. Damn, dude. Well, y'all see, man. I mean, it's always something. Yeah. I gotta watch what I'm doing with this thing up in the air like this, man. Put y'all out of my way for a second. So here it is, flat, because it ain't got no tension on it. So y'all see that piece right there? I gotta clean that off, man. But that wedge right there. See that? Look at that, man. So see, the next thing I could do is a couple ways I could do it. The pulley is designed different now. see, this thing is still sitting like that. So really, you know, I could put this on there and that's going to take it up high enough. But see, with this pulley right here, it's different than the one that came off of it. So you got to have a bushing, and I got a bushing because I got the same mowers, y'all. I got one of these bushings. I mean, it needs to be shaved down. I mean, you just got to keep grinding, man, because it's way high on this side, man. From right here, I need to grind that off. All right, y'all, back to grinding. So y'all see how that is right there. Now, it looks like it's riding pretty flat now, but I see why it moved. This right here, I'm gonna tack this down. I need to grind it just a little bit more, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack that down right there. I got to grind it a little bit more, man. And then I'm going to put y'all on time lapse, and I'm going to fill in. I'm going to try to fill this in right here, dude. I mean, I can do it. It ain't going to be easy. I mean, it ain't going to be pretty, but you're not, you know, I just want to make it, you know, where that's ugly right there, dude. Yeah. Man. Well, but you know something, y'all? I can fix that crap, man. No problem. Just take me a little bit of time, man. Y'all see. I want to no damn dealer. Take my machine for 2 weeks. Charge me probably $500 to replace. What they would do, they would just replace this. See. But I'm not going to cut that out right there, man. That's just too much to cut, you know. I'm going to make it flat in the middle, and we're going to give it a shot, man, with the new pulley. It's Ray. Y'all know what it is. Now we know that ain't perfect, y'all, but you know that's it's a pretty good bead for a 120 little MIG welder, man. It's pretty good. We'll brush it off and maybe put a little even put a little primer on that, man. That ain't gotta be pretty. No, it don't. All right, y'all. So I think that'll get it, man. I'm gonna tack this a little bit better, and then we're gonna put it back together. Yeah. Uh-oh, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see it? I know, y'all. I know it ain't pretty, but you're not gonna be able to see it anyway. Perfect.